everyone, welcome to my channel. Long time no see, sorry. I hope this helps if you are interested in like cleaning out your fridge, or if you're already healthy and you need new ideas on like healthy food to eat. This will be a perfect video for that. But yeah, enjoy the video. So first we're going to go through what I have the least of, which is carbs. I'm not on a low carb diet or anything, it's just what I've purchased less of, and I'm pretty stocked up on my carbs anyway. So the first I got is granola. This is great. The ingredients are gluten-free rolled oats, date syrup, raisins, almonds, sunflower oil, maple syrup, sunflower seeds, orange juice, pumpkin seeds, desiccated coconut chips, and ground cinnamon. That is it. It's so clean. So yeah, granola. Second thing I have purchased are oats. These are the organic Scottish gluten-free whole porridge oats. If I can, I buy gluten-free stuff. If I can, I eat gluten-free. It just helps so much more with my digestion. I'm sure it will with yours too. So you can make cookies with oats, you can make oatmeal, you can make burgers, you can bake with it, you can make an oat smoothie. There's so much you can do with oats. Oats, yeah. Other carbs I would normally go for are buckwheat, barley, spelt, wild rice. Kale. Kale is a superfood, like it's a green, so chlorophyll, iron, all that good stuff. I make a kale smoothie with it, I put it in my curries or a vegetable stir fry. Kale, it's life. Literally superfood. I love it. I bought mushrooms. I usually use this like as a stir fry, or like on a toast, or I use it for like a creamy mushroom potato or pasta sauce. Closed cup mushroom. Onions. I just use this to cook and I put them in my salads. Red onions are my favorite. Sweet potatoes. So I love sweet potatoes. They're also really versatile, like you can use it for bacon, you can do sweet potato fries, or you can even boil them and eat them. So many ways to eat sweet potatoes. So if you want to fill up your salads a bit more, definitely put sweet potatoes in there. And it gives a great sweet taste to your salads. Sweet potatoes. Yeah. Cucumbers. Great superfood. Cucumbers are so underrated. Great for hydration. Great for your immune system. Great snack as well. It's nice with peanut butter. I don't know if that's just me. Amazing with hummus. Or you can just eat it on its own. It's really good. Like it's so refreshing. Love it. Parsley, which is like nearly done. Yeah, I just really wanted to show you guys this. It's a really nice garnish and dressing to like every food you eat. Oh, it's amazing to just like put in your salads and smoothies as well. I love it in my smoothies. This little baby here, amazing. Limes, lemon, and oops. I love these. I have so many of them because I drink them every morning. I'll use at least half a lime every day. Most days I will use a whole one. This will last less than 2 weeks. I still don't know what I like more. What do you guys like more? Do you prefer limes or lemons? I still can't decide. Comment down and let me know. I don't know. I don't know. Apples. Not much to say about them. Everyone loves apples. Everyone eats apples. So yeah. Avocado. love avocados. I used to hate avocados. The taste of it and the smell of it would just make me, it would literally, the thought of eating it, the texture, the taste, it just made me gay. But like, I've literally grown to love it. And this is wheatgrass powder. It's really hard to find wheatgrass in the UK, so I just bought the powder version of it. Yeah, I put it in my green smoothies, so yeah, that's how I consume this. Tomatoes, again, I just mainly use these for my salads. Ginger is, I love it. Very high in antioxidants, so it's great for your immune system. You can cook with it, you can make teas with it. Lemons, water, maple syrup and ginger. Just blend it up, and that is a healthy ginger ale or healthy ginger lemon drink. Love it. I try to have that every morning. I try to have ginger and water every morning, so if I'm not having ginger and lime, I'll have ginger and water, or a combination of both. So yeah, ginger, I love it. When you juice like vegetables or fruits, add a little bit of ginger to it. It just gives it a kick. It's amazing. I absolutely love ginger. And then garlic, just for basic cooking. Grapes, these are seeded, and I try to buy seeded everything because non-seeded are usually GMO and it kind of scares me. Seeded grapes are so hard to find. Whenever I see seeded grapes, I have to buy it, so yeah. Seeded grapes, you need this in your fridge. Dates. These are the gluten dates. Again, a superfood. Where do I even start? These are pitted because I do get lazy sometimes. They have like a nice sweet caramel taste to it, which is amazing if you want to bake and sweeten your stuff, or like you want to give it like a subtle caramel taste. This is my sugar. I use it to sweeten my overnight oats. I literally put it in everything I need to sweeten. It's very sweet and it's super healthy, like it's so high in iron. Why would I use table sugar when I can just use dates? It's just as sweet and it's great for me. So guys, ditch processed sugar away. Please get dates and just try it. It's a win. Next fruit comes hand in hand with dates, and that is raisins, because I'm always using chocolate chips in my oat cookies, so I just got raisins for a change. I know many people don't like raisins, but they're so good for you as well. Again, a natural sweetener instead of sugar. You can just pop this into your cereals and for baking. Maple syrup. So yeah, when you get maple syrup, guys, please make sure that it's 100% maple syrup, because the maple syrup you'd find commercially has a bunch of crap inside of it. So make sure it's 100% maple syrup and then you'll be good. Chickpeas. These are dried chickpeas. Where do I start? Oh, it's like really heavy, so it's like gravitating me towards like one direction. No, but seriously, anyone that knows me knows that I love chickpeas just because of how versatile they are. I make falafels with it, I make hummus with it, and I make chickpea curries. I usually just start by soaking it, and then depending on what I want to do, I can go from there. You'll save more money over time if you just get them like these instead of buying canned ones all the time. So yeah, invest in dry chickpeas and go from there. These are tiger nuts. They're called tiger nuts, but they're not actually nuts. They are a tuber. It's a tuber. It's gluten-free, high in calcium, and it's high in fiber. It tastes a bit like coconuts, and it's very crunchy. So if you haven't tried tiger nuts out, if you don't know what these are, if this is your first time seeing these, you should definitely try them out. You can make tiger nut milk with it, or you can just snack on it during the day. It's a great healthy snack. I love tiger nuts. These give you so much energy as well. It's crazy. I know in Nigeria, when I go to Nigeria, they have these, but like, because obviously I live in London, I rarely find these. So I remember finding it after a very long time, and I ate them before bedtime, and guys, I really couldn't sleep and I didn't know why, and I realized that it was because of these. They provide a ton of energy to your body. So if you're low on energy, definitely eat tiger nuts. Walnuts. So top my cereals off with it. I make walnut milk with it. Great carb source and great protein source. Yeah, and it's so filling. Oh my god. Coconut milk. I use it for my curries most of the time. Curry and coconut goes amazingly well. So yeah, I use this mainly for curries. I also use it for like vegan ice cream, or I will use it for smoothies. So yeah, coconut milk. Oh yeah, by the way guys, if you guys know where I can find organic coconut milk that isn't in a can, please let me know. Himalayan pink salt. I actually prefer it to sea salt. Coconut oil, you need this just for life. Cooking, baking, frying. Yeah, it's also a butter replacement for me. So when I make toast, I will cover it with coconut oil instead of butter, and it's actually a really great alternative to butter. So give it a try, put coconut oil on your toast and let me know how it goes. So cacao powder. This is great. I use this for milkshakes, I use this for hot chocolates, I use this for baking. Literally anything I want to add some chocolate flavour to, I will add cacao powder to it. This is coming to the grave with me. I love it. Got some weed. Seaweed. If you're a transitioning vegan, these will help with like a fish craving, because it tastes like fish, I guess, because it's from the sea. So high in vitamin B12, high in iodine, high in protein, high in fiber, and it's suitable for vegans. Got this dark chocolate. Really good for baking. I can literally control how chocolatey I want something. So, because I use cacao all the time, I thought why not just try a chocolate chunk. So, great for baking, and if I want like a little sprinkle of dark chocolate, I will literally add this to whatever I want it in. Guys, so I bought 15 of these 2 days ago, and now I only have this one left. So bad, like no, like I have a sweet tooth, man. Oh Jess. But yeah, they're so good. It's a dairy-free kind of chocolate. It's so good. Coconut sugar, raw cacao, creamed coconut, coconut butter, and vanilla extract. Those are the only ingredients in this. So this is my chocolate substitute when I don't use cacao, when I don't put cacao in other things. I'll just snack on these. They're little chocolate buttons, and I love them so much. Lastly, I have these stock cubes. I literally just get it from this brand because their stock cubes taste amazing, and they never have like any of the rubbish like flavor enhancers and like artificial ingredients most stock cubes have. So yeah, Callo, yeah, They make the best stock cubes, like the best clean stock cubes. So it's a vegetable stock cube and it basically lets me cheat when I cook, and it tastes amazing in my food. Yeah, that is the end, guys. I hope I gave you some ideas of what to eat if like maybe you want to start eating healthier and you don't know where to start, or if you're already eating healthy and like you've run out of stuff to buy, or you just always eat the same things and you need something new. I hope this helped. Other than that, take care, look after yourselves. I will see you in another video. Peace.